chicken at ilagay po natin doon para meron kayo instant arroz caldo. Okay, joke lang. Bakit tapon mamaya sa mga trashes pa? Trash ka na makikita po natin sa baba. Alright. And also, SOP number 5, lahat ba kayo may dalang gadgets? Please remember our SOP number 5, be mindful in your personal belongings. Every time that we're going down, you need to bring your important things, your cell phone, your wallet. Bakit kaya, Robby? Sa pupunta po natin 3 itineraries first, may tatlo po na pupunta po natin, you are not allowed to bring any food and drinks. Ang dadalhin na po ninyo ay your cell phone, your wallet, your cameras. So since you're bringing your cell phone, your wallet, your gadgets po, please remember, be sensitive to your things. Don't put anywhere kasi once you lost it, mahihirapan tayo marapin na. Kasi hindi lang po yung tao na tutulog. Hindi lang po tayo yung tao na tutulog.
Well, how about water?
Our first itinerary are not allowed to be water. The church, the museum, and also the castle shrine. Again, so si dadalhin po rin yung important things, ingatan. Kasi once na mawala yan, mahihirapan tayong hanapin yung gamit po. And lastly, SOP number 6, be mindful in your personal behaviors. Anong grade na kasama ko ulit?
8 and 9.
Grade 8 and grade 9. You are not the same po sa lower grade. Kasi if ever na makarating po tayo ng 2 early,